Dear children, last day I taught you geography lesson second, physical features of India. In this lesson, I also taught the features of India, our country, Himalayas, Northern Plain, Plateau रीजन के बारे में बताया था. Today I will teach you the western and eastern coastal plain. Look at the page number 159. The western and eastern coastal plain. On the western and eastern margins of the Deccan Plateau, the western and the eastern coastal plain stretch respectively. The western coastal plain is rather narrow, except in Gujarat. It consists of three sections as follows. वेस्टर्न कोस्टल रेंज के रीजन के तीन पार्ट हैं: कोंकण कोस्ट, मालाबार कोस्ट और केरल कोस्ट. कोंकण कोस्ट इट इज द northern part of the western coastal plain in Maharashtra and Karnataka. Malabar coast, it is the southern part of this plain. Kerala coast, a large number of backward waters called lagoon are found along the Kerala coast. Only a few large rivers like the Narmada, Tapti, Mahi flow through it. River of western coast from estuary. Estuary is the funnel shape opening at the mouth of river. These estuary provide good sites for harbors. Mumbai and Managua have two of best natural harbors of India. The eastern coast, it extends from the rivers Suvarnrekha in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, a distance of nearly 1100 km, 1100 km. The coastal plain along the Bay of Bengal is broader in the comparison to the western coastal plain. This plain includes the fertile deltas of the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. It is divided in two parts: Coromandel coast और Northern Sarkar. पहला है कोरोमंडल कोस्ट. The southern part of the eastern coastal plain is called Coromandel coast. Northern Sarkar, the southern part of the called in Northern Sarkar. In the north, this plain merges into the Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Lake Chilka is an important feature of this coast. Comparison. Common and the comparative feature of the eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain and eastern expansion is stretched from Kutch in the north to Kanyakumari in south. Eastern is stretched from the edge of the Ganga delta to Kanyakumari. Division with lagoons, river और पोर्ट्स के बारे में दिया हुआ है. देखें, न समझ में आए तो पूछ सकते हैं. नीचे द ग्रेट डिजर्ट, थार डिजर्ट. द थार डिजर्ट लाई ऑन द वेस्टर्न मार्जिन ऑफ द अरावली हिल्स. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ एन undulating sandy plain with various types of sand dunes. It receives less than 150 mm rainfall a year. It has arid climate with a low vegetation. The streams appear only during the monsoon season. Luni is the only large river in this region. Crescent shaped and sand dune called branches cover most of the desert. Longitudinal dunes are also seen on the western edge of the region near the Indo-Pakistan border. The Indian Iceland. The two island groups of the India are Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Andaman Nicobar Island. These islands are group of 572 islands located in the Bay of Bengal. अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड कहाँ पाया जाता है? बंगाल, बे ऑफ बंगाल में. दे आर फाउंड एट द एवरेज डिस्टेंस ऑफ 1200 किलोमीटर from the mainland. The Nicobar group form a cluster south of Andaman. These group of islands are mountain tops that are rising from the seafloor. Most of them are of volcanic origin and having limestone, sandstone and shale as chief constituent rocks. Barren Island is an active volcano. Port Blair in the Andaman group is the capital and port city. Then the 10-degree channels separated the Andaman group from the Nicobar. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are fairly larger in comparison to Lakshadweep. The Indira Point in the Nicobar Island is southernmost point of the Indian Union. The Lakshadweep Island. This is a group of 36 islands in Arabian Sea. The southernmost point of this island is slightly northwards of the independent islands country of Maldives. All these islands are built up by coral polyps and have atlas and fringing reef very close to their shores. These islands lie 300 km to the west of the coast of Kerala. Now next day, important term learn and write also.